Today I'm going to try a new format. We're going to do a 2-minute Tuesday, and those of you that watch me a lot know I like to talk, so it's going to be a challenge. I'm going to try to do my best to stay within 2 minutes if I can. We'll see what happens, especially this first week. What I want to cover is a question I get asked often, and it's kind of an impossible question to answer, and that is, what camera should I buy as a beginner? Well, it's kind of hard to answer that, because if you just want to take pictures of the family, or do you want to get into photography and do headshots, or maybe work your way up into weddings? So you kind of need to have that in mind when somebody asks you that question. So if, I'm just going to take this question today as if they just want to take pictures of friends and family and that thing and not really get anything professional, although this camera would work as a professional camera, especially as a backup camera, a number 2 camera. And the camera I would recommend would be the Canon 70D. Now, this camera was the first Canon to have dual pixel autofocus, and you can get the camera body from MPB for about $269 for one in good condition. So $269, you got a good crop sensor, you got good focus, you've got the flippy screen on the back, it'll do videos. Now the specs on the camera are pretty good. Even though it's a crop sensor, it's 20 megapixels. It has the 19-point cross type focus. You just find your focus point and hit focus. It'll do up to 7 frames per second, and it'll go up to an ISO of 12,800. Although I would probably top it out at 6,400 or even try to keep it at 3,200 or less to keep the grain or the noise out of the picture. And then you can add a Canon 50mm 1.8 lens for it. You can also get those from MPB, light new condition, for $99. I'll put pictures of those up so you guys can see them. But anyway, if we're helping you guys out, hit subscribe, and y'all have a good day. Hey guys, I just want to take this second of your time. If you guys would please hit like and subscribe, it would go a long ways toward helping our channel and help us keep making these videos. Thank you.